This is Dr. Dave Gatros for our object-oriented class project here, a practice project. Now, normally I don't do requests, but this would seem pretty valid. A student asked me to go through step-by-step creating the makefile, which the more I thought about it, the more I thought, oh, that'd be very useful. Okay, well, here's our makefile, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it. There, it's gone. Now we have no way of compiling the project. Let me show you how to do it manually. Okay, G++, we're going to do the box.h first, compile only, standard, C++, 11, box.h. Then we're going to do the box CPP. Oops, the wrong key, excuse me. Okay, then we're going to do the main. Now we're going to build the project itself. -O means we're going to name the output main, and we're going to use the standard equal C++11, and we have to include main.o and box.o. Okay. Now, main, and there we have our executable. So that's how you do it step by step without a makefile. Well, let's build a makefile to do it. Now, the reason you do a makefile is because, let's say that we've only changed the main routine. There's really no reason to go back and recompile the box items, but if we use this approach here, we go through the entire steps. On the small project, it's not an impact, but on a large one, it would be. So we're going to create a makefile. You can call it makefile with an upper or lowercase m, it doesn't matter. Okay. And then the first thing we're going to do, I'll show you a comment. This is a comment. Makefile for the box class. Okay. Now the very first thing we do is we're going to show how to make the main routine. Okay. Main routine is comprised of two files, main.o and box.o. If either of these are out of date, what it's going to do is it's going to execute the next shell command. Now you notice that this cursor popped over. That's because I hit the tab key. It's very important that you do that. That tells the make utility that this is a shell command. It's to be executed. Here we put in the last line we did, which was the -o main, and then -std equal C++11. Okay. And then main.o and box.o. Hit enter. Now we have to tell it about main.o. Main.o is dependent upon main.cpp. So if it finds that main.cpp is out of date, it's going to execute this command, -c, okay, -std equal C++11 main.cpp. Now we have to do the same thing with box. Box.o, if it is out of date, it is dependent upon box.h and box.cpp. If either of those have been changed, we need to do the following shell commands, -c, -std equal C++11, box.h, and the same thing with the -cpp. There's a mistake right there. We'll fix that. Some of you may have caught that already. If you did, that's very good. All right, so there is our make utility. I almost always add this to it. It's a clean utility. We can execute this, or it's a clean dependency. We remove all of our extraneous files, rm**.o, hit enter. So there's our makefile. Okay. To run the clean utility, I just say make clean, and you'll see it removes all the files. Let me remove the main. Okay, let's go ahead and run the make file. We would just say make, and you'll see it go through. Okay, oh, got an error in the make file. And right there. Good. Okay. Make clean. Okay. Clear. Make. Right there we have it. So that's a very, very brief explanation of the make utility, and that is our second video in the box class, and now we'll go on to our third video. So again, if you haven't done so, go ahead and make your make file and run it and make sure it works.